So you're working with developers, and developers they're all concerned about how things function and making everything work. Everything I'm always asking is, what's the customer experience going to be like? So I'm working with a lot with the dashboard and making sure that when the customer is in there, that it's very easy for them to manage the site. And Wes is helping with that, but his main expertise is working on the technical side, making sure from an infrastructure standpoint, everything is working and that it's powerful. Yeah, so he touched on some of the highlights. We in terms of the dashboard, some of the experiences we have. So we have, for one thing, we have live chat support 24/7. Our time to response is generally under a minute. We have excellent feedback on our customer support. That's built into the dashboard. And then we have all the tools that you would expect from a WordPress host, things like file manager, SSH access, ability to activate, deactivate plugins and themes and turn on WP debug, roll back to a backup, all of that kind of stuff. It's all built into the dashboard in a very easy to use experience.
Interesting. In fact, yeah, like thinking about the user and how they can benefit from such services. In fact, you also offer things like managed learning management platform hosting, managed online communities hosting, WooCommerce. Like, how does that work? Is it like, does it come as a whole package, or just WooCommerce and maybe you host your websites anywhere else? Or like, what are the advantages of, apart from the resources point of view?
Sure.
What is exactly managed WooCommerce hosting, for example?
Yeah. I'll explain. So we for some plugins, we go a little extra in terms of what we provide. So with WooCommerce, if you have a WooCommerce site, you will when you deploy the site, we ask you if you have WooCommerce, but even if you add it later, you can manage the WooCommerce settings. And we give you the ability to configure some extra stuff to improve the WooCommerce performance in there.